What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go to our friend Gala Games sitting at 0.026, up 4% on the day. You see market up 554 million. 24-hour volume 64 million. We just locked in some gains on a juicy Bitcoin trade. If you want my signals, they're only $10 a month. We'll talk about it more at the end of the video. So a couple scenarios, depends. If BTC were to push up in a wave 5, then Gala could potentially see an impulsive breakout in a 5-wave move. But if Bitcoin just rolls over and this impulse is finished, then this can still be corrective. You can still be looking at A pushing up in a 3-wave move and a B coming down in a wave C, because previously we were looking at this, came down A, B, C, and now you'd be pushing up like leading diagonal wave 1, pull back 2, 3, 4, 5. But if Bitcoin simply rolls over, it's going to drag Gala down, and that's when we could look at an A, B, C correction. So of course, if we break that wave 1 high, that's more confirmation of pushing up in a wave 3. But eventually Bitcoin is going to roll over. So if it does end up happening sooner than later, then just watch for a wave C back down into this target zone. Daily time frame, still just fighting with the 20 EMA. The 55 is creeping up. So if these EMAs can start to get tight, then you will see a break. Because when the EMAs get really tight, it tends to cause a squeeze, and usually you see a breakout one way or the other. I do think the higher probability would be to the upside. So that's what we're looking for the price of Gala. We are currently in a Gala trade right now, as well as 2 other positions. We just locked in gains on our Bitcoin trade. So as I mentioned, if we break that wave 1 high, you could see an impulse. But if Bitcoin decides that this is the top, we're going to roll over in a wave 2 pullback. See right here, wave 1 up, pull back in a wave 2, then that's when you'll see that wave C start to print for our friend Gala Games. All right, gang, that's it for this one. As I mentioned, my signals are $10 a month. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full length tutorial. If you got value out of this video, smash the like button. Sign up to the Patreon for my signals analysis. We are currently still in 3 trades, just locked in those juicy gains on Bitcoin. Crypto news, remember profits, how to all place Forex signals. We're in a Forex trade as well. I give signals and analysis for Forex, and we have over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. Same price as a Subway with a drink. It's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.